Step your right foot forward, tucking your left toes under, planting down the left foot with the toes diagonally out to the side. Take a moment to feel your base grounding through the front foot and the back toes. Bring your right arm and rest it gently on your right thigh. Begin to reach up to the sky through your fingertips and then reach the arm over to the side, long through the left side of the body. There's a sense of moving in two directions, grounding down through the legs as you lengthen out through the fingertips. Allow the shoulders to soften. The neck stays long. The gaze relaxed. Feel the breath travel into that left side, a gentle expansion on the inhale and a softening into the shape on the exhale. Staying here for a few steady breaths, just allowing the body to settle into the shape. And when you're ready, gently press into your feet and come back to standing as you heel toe your feet back to center. Pause for a moment and notice how your body feels. And then take your time as you move onto the opposite side.